Have you ever wondered how things used to exist, but got stuck choosing your words? When we talk about the past, we have two simple options. The first is there was. Look, there was one apple on the table, just sitting there all by itself. Use was for singular items. There was a book, or there was a memory. But now look over there. Now we have multiple objects. That's when we use there were. You see, there were three balls waiting for us, clustered together. Were works for plural things. There were clocks, or there were possibilities. So the secret is simple. Just count how many things there were. Congratulations, you've mastered the difference between there was and there were. Ready for more stress-free English tips? Subscribe now.